You're here because something inside of you still holds on, even when the world tells you to give up, and every ounce of logic says to move on. There is something in your heart that simply cannot let go. Maybe it feels like you're holding on to nothing at all. Maybe you're even ashamed of this hope you carry, because it hurts to admit that you're still waiting for someone who feels like they've already moved on. But let me tell you this hope you're holding on to, this feeling in your heart, it's not weakness. It's not delusion. It's not some naive fantasy. What you are carrying is far greater than you realize. It's a sign of your strength, a sign of your heart that hasn't given up, even when everything around you seems to say that it's over. You are here because you needed to hear this. God is telling you, hold on. Stay with me. Stay through the silence, because what's coming is worth this wait. You're not waiting alone. God is working even in this moment. If you're ready to trust God's process and embrace the restoration ahead, click the like button to affirm your faith and share your journey. The silence you feel isn't a punishment. It's not a sign of abandonment. It is the very space where God is working behind the scenes. While you thought this person had forgotten you, while you assumed that silence meant indifference, God was doing something in the unseen. You couldn't see it, but He was restoring what seemed lost. The silence isn't your enemy. It's the evidence of something deeper happening. God doesn't operate on your timeline. He doesn't move when you want Him to. He works in the unseen, in the quiet places, building and healing things you cannot yet understand. So don't mistake the silence for an end. It's a beginning, a divine process that takes time, because real change, real transformation, takes place in the quiet moments. Let go of the need for instant answers. Trust that what's happening now, even in the silence, is exactly what needs to happen for true restoration. Waiting can feel like an unbearable weight. It's not just about time passing. It's the emotional tug-of-war between hope and doubt, between patience and frustration. Every unanswered message, every moment that feels like you're waiting in vain, feeds the inner conflict. Am I being foolish? Should I just move on? You see others moving on with ease, and it makes you question yourself. Is your love misplaced? Is your faith in this relationship just a dream? But I want you to hear this. You are not foolish for waiting. You are waiting for something that is worth it. The pain you feel right now, the longing in your heart, is not a sign that you're wrong. It's a sign that you are strong. You're not waiting for nothing. You are waiting for the right moment. The moment when everything falls into place. And that moment is coming, even if it feels far away. God's plan for restoration is deeper than you can see. It's not just about your relationship coming back in the way you expect. It's not about the quick fix, the easy solution. God is working inside them, doing the deep work, healing the wounds they've carried, breaking down the walls they've built. He is shaping them into someone who can truly love you, without fear, without hesitation. And while you wait, God is also working in you. He's teaching you patience. He's teaching you trust. He's teaching you the value of waiting, because you are becoming someone stronger, more whole, more ready for what's to come. The restoration isn't just about them. It's about both of you. It's about God preparing you for each other and for the future He has designed for you. So trust in the process, even when it's hard, even when you don't see the change right now. Know that something beautiful is being created. Waiting with trust is not a passive act. It's an active decision to surrender, to choose peace, to believe that everything is happening for a reason. It's trusting that God knows the perfect timing, and that His timing is always better than yours. It's about releasing control and allowing God to work in the way that only He can. When you wait in peace, you are not waiting in anxiety, but in confidence. Confidence that God will never fail you, that His promises are sure, and that what He has planned for you will come to fruition. The peace you feel in waiting, that quiet certainty, is a sign that God is taking care of everything. So trust. Trust that everything will unfold in the perfect way, at the perfect time. Trust that the silence isn't empty, but full of promise. And trust that when the time comes, you will see the beauty of the restoration God has been working on all along. You might feel like you're just sitting here, waiting, but I need you to understand that even in this moment, God is working in your life. He is not absent. He is not ignoring you. He is shaping you, molding you, preparing you for what's ahead. While you wait for someone else to change, God is working on you. He is teaching you the true meaning of patience, the true value of trust, and the power of letting go of control. This time of waiting isn't just about your relationship. It's about your growth, your faith, and your ability to love without fear. You are learning to trust, not just in God's plan, but in His perfect timing. You are learning that the journey is as important as the destination, and that the process of becoming is just as valuable as what you are becoming. God is showing you how to love yourself, how to value yourself, and how to trust that you are worthy of the love you seek. You are being prepared for something far beyond your current understanding. This waiting is not wasted time. It's divine preparation for what God is bringing into your life. Take a deep breath and trust that you are exactly where you need to be. God is at work in your life right now. You are not alone in this journey. Feel the peace that comes with knowing God is preparing you for what is to come. Stay in faith and continue trusting the process. God speaks to us in ways that are often subtle. He speaks through signs, through feelings, through moments that seem too significant to ignore. It's easy to think that you're alone in this, that the silence means nothing. But I'm here to tell you that the silence is actually full of messages. You may have already noticed some of these signs. Perhaps you've heard a song that seemed to speak directly to you. Maybe a phrase, a word, or a Bible verse stood out in a way that felt like it was meant just for you. These are the ways God communicates with us. They may not always be obvious, but when you start paying attention, you'll begin to notice the small moments that are full of meaning. God uses the world around us to speak His truth. It could be in a dream, a fleeting thought, or even in the quiet moments when you're least expecting it. And you know what? The more you trust in this, the more you'll begin to see the signs that confirm God is working behind the scenes. You may not understand everything right away, but that's okay. God's language is not always immediate. Sometimes you have to wait and see how the signs come together. When you trust in God's language, you'll begin to understand the subtle nudges He gives you. You'll feel a peace, a knowing, that everything is unfolding exactly as it should. I encourage you to look for the signs in your life. Pay attention to the small moments and trust that God is guiding you. Don't dismiss the little things. These may be the messages you've been waiting for. You might be wondering, why is this taking so long? Why does it feel like everything is moving at a pace you can't control? Why does the wait seem endless, when all you want is for things to change? I understand your frustration, but I want to share with you a powerful truth. The ultimate purpose of waiting is not just about the outcome. It's about the transformation that takes place within you. While you wait, God is shaping you into a person who is ready for what's coming. You're learning lessons about patience, trust, and surrender. These lessons are not just for you to endure the waiting, but for you to thrive in it. Waiting teaches you to let go of control, to accept that some things are beyond your understanding. It teaches you to trust that God has a plan, and that plan is better than anything you could imagine. You see, the waiting period is part of God's divine preparation. He is aligning everything in your life to create a perfect moment of reunion. And when that moment comes, you'll see that it was worth every second of waiting. The waiting is not wasted. It is a time of deep transformation, a time for God to prepare both you and the person you're waiting for. It's a time to let go of old patterns, to grow in faith, and to build a deeper relationship with God. So, I encourage you to embrace this time. Trust that you are being prepared for something far greater than you could have ever imagined. The purpose of waiting is to grow, to learn, and to be ready for the blessing that is on its way. If you're feeling discouraged by the wait, I encourage you to lean into it. Trust that God is using this time to prepare you for something wonderful. Stay strong in faith, and know that your moment is coming. I know that waiting isn't easy. It's filled with doubts, fears, and moments where you question if it will ever come to fruition. But I want you to hold on to this truth. Restoration is already in motion. God is working in the unseen. He is rebuilding, healing, and preparing. And you, my friend, are exactly where you need to be. You're not waiting in vain. You are part of a beautiful process of restoration, not just for the other person, but for you as well. You are being prepared for a love that is deeper, stronger, and more meaningful than anything you've experienced before. So, as you continue to wait, do it with peace. Do it with trust. Do it knowing that everything is unfolding exactly as it should. The restoration is happening, and it is worth every moment of waiting. When the time comes, you will see that all the waiting was part of God's perfect plan for you. If this message resonated with you, I want to encourage you to take the next step. Leave a comment below and share how you're feeling. Or share this video with someone who might need to hear this right now. Together, let's trust in God's plan. And when your restoration begins to unfold, you'll know exactly where to come back for more strength and support. Thank you for being here. God bless you,